Okay, this is Lord Puller, back again with another Dragon Ball Dokkan Battles summoning video. So the saga has been, I have not been able to pull even one copy of the Super Saiyan 4s here on this brand new 7-year anniversary banner. I have mined up 190 stones in the hopes of being able to go through a rotation and get the freebie. The freebies end in 4 hours, so I had to do this today. Background art are the Super Saiyan 4s just standing around next to the Super Saiyan Blues, which I thought was a kind of cool image. Background music is Teenage Mutant Ninja Turtles 2, the arcade game, Technodrome Theme. So let's jump right in and see what we can pull from the Super Saiyan 4 Saga. You know, people have been calling this the monkey banner, to make as shorthand. I find it kind of funny. You know, I think the series does need a new iteration of the Super Saiyan 4 form. Not really Super Saiyan 5, but just how wow, that was horrible. How Trunks had his various forms of Super Saiyan, but Trunks had his legendary form. Krillin and Trunks on the right hand side. That's an interesting combo. You hear that blues music? That's my heart for the Super Saiyan 4s. Oh well, I needed them. Those are the support category for the Android saga. Okay, I see how this is going. I see how this is going. Ooh. Okay, Super Vegeta. Getting something. I might have to pause the video to mine up another 7 stones to complete the ticket summon. Oh, I do not need him! I literally rainbowed this guy. Oh boy, oh boy. Alrighty, well, that's what we have on offer. Thank you, Dokkan Gods! Well, I have a rainbow. So there is a featured card in this mixture. I don't believe it. I keep pulling Mr. Super Saiyan God Vegeta. And him, too. I don't believe it! What in the world is going on? Am I suddenly the Super Saiyan Blue LR Vegeta repository? Am I the dumping ground for that LR all of a sudden? Let's see what we got. 3. I think I need to. Yeah, I have to mine up. I forgot to. I should have saved my tickets. I'm going to be pausing the video. I'm going to be mining up a few more stones. I'll be seeing you in a second. Okay, we're back. I have enough for 2 more summons. The primary summon here on the banner, and then the ticket summon. Again, and the other 2. Rainbow release. Cannot believe I pulled 3 Super Saiyan Blue LR Vegetas. 2 summons. Okay, got a basic, whoops. Frieza there. Okay, this is the last summon. Cross my fingers. Everyone, share your energy with me. Are you still gonna do this? Put your hands up. I'm begging you, planet Earth, give me the power! Gohan and Yamcha. Oh boy. Okay, I didn't pull in enough power. This is gonna be fun. I'll need a miracle. Champa! Finish her off. Okay. I've already bought all the tickets for this banner, so I can't get anything else. To the lower right. Super rare steak. Last summon on this banner. For the buy 3, get 1 free goes away in 3 hours. I'm not going to be able to raise enough stones in order to get another rotation. Supreme Kai time. Yeah, I wish I could reverse time. Ah! Okay, Dragonstone. Woof! It's been some ordeal. Why are the monkeys so elusive? It's a strange sentence. Okay. What I can do here? Dragonstones? No, no. Alright. 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 Out of curiosity's sake, let's see how many Vegeta LRs I needed. Actually, needed her? Whatever. These guys I know I needed. Needed 1 more. And I got 3. Alright. Well, I get to start on this TUR. That said, I hope all of you have much better pulls than I've had today. This is Lord Puller, pulling out of the 7-year anniversary and letting that darn thing... Whoops. Sorry about that. We were supposed to see behind the scenes. Anyway, letting this thing die. The quest for the Super Saiyan 4s go away. Whew! It's been a wild ride. Thank you. Bye.